Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to create a gasket for our Dynahoe. So we're going to go up here, create sketch, go to top, and I know that the outer diameter of that plate was 8 5/8. So if you're following along, you guys can keep these measurements so that you know what they are if you ever have to fabricate this gasket. Then I know the hole was 3/8 of an inch from the edge. And then we're going to create the circle. The hole was 7/16. Let's see, 0.437. And then I'm going to come in another 3/8. And then we're just going to come into that for the center of our cutout. Then we're going to create a pattern. And the path. And we want 8. So we got 8 of those. So now we're going to go over and we are going to extrude this into a gasket. And we'll bring this up, we'll make it 3/16 of an inch. It was a pretty thick gasket, the cork that they had on there. So we'll do that. So there we go. And let's see, we're going to save this in case somebody else wants one. And we'll save this as Dynahoe hydro tank gasket. Hydro filter gasket, how's that? Yeah, that's a good name for it. Okay, so now we're going to export it. And we're going to keep it as a 3MF file. We'll export that over to the slicer. And we'll get rid of this. And there's our gasket. Okay, so we already got TPU 95A in here. We don't need this one. I don't know, let's just pick a different color than this. Let's pick yellow because that's what we're going to print it anyways. Not that it matters. Okay, so we are going to do 6 wall loops. That'll give us 6 wall loops around the holes and around the edges. We'll do a crosshatch pattern here. And then we're going to print this 100% solid so that it's not hollow or have any kind of honeycomb in it. Okay. So there's our gasket. Let's slice it, program it. Okay, we slice that. Take a look. So it's 100% solid. You know, I think on my top surface pattern, I'm going to do a Hilbert curve, just to give it some texture on one side. So that'll give it some texture to seal. Okay, so we want to export this file over to the system. And we're gonna export it. And I called it Dynahoe, that's funny. Change that, Dynahoe hydro filter gasket. We're going to save that to the machine. And we are going to go ahead and print this now. Let's take a look at what this is doing here. So this is going to print at 230 degrees Celsius, which is about 40 degrees lower than I usually print. So it should be okay. Again, I've never printed with this filament before. So this is going to be a lesson learned. So we'll export that. I think I already did, but just in case. And it was exported successfully. So now we'll go over to the printer. Okay, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this material. I did print it a little thick. I printed it 3/16. I got another one printing up now, but everything for the most part lined up. And it looks pretty good. I'm still waiting for my filter to get here. So once that gets here, we'll pop that in. But all in all, the gasket turned out pretty well.